Today I will hang my video editor to the wall using 3M command strips. These are one of my favorite things around the house. I'll show you a few practical ways you could use them, and at the end, I'll stick him to the wall. We've used this to hang our progress board. Another way these come in handy is cord management. Like you can see right here, I use this, and it saves a lot of surface space. I also use this to hang pictures. Most landlords won't let you put nails or screws in the wall, but you can use command strips. Like this one I used right here. It's just a command strip. And let's hang this axe on the wall. That ain't going nowhere. Now, onto the kitchen. I needed a bread cooling rack, but I have plaster walls, so I couldn't screw into it. So I had to put 4 command strips in here. And why is this trash can here, you ask? I hate crumbs, so this is the crumb catcher. And only a bachelor can get by with this next hack. Now, if that didn't earn you a subscribe and a like, I don't know what will. But on to the bathroom. There's 2 types of command strips. The ones you've seen so far are the Velcro sticky kind, and then there's the double-sided sticky tape kind that you get with the command strip hangers in the kit. For this, you take off the red sticker and stick it to the hanger. After that, go ahead and take off the black stickers and then stick it to the wall. After holding it for a while, take it back off by lifting it up and press it against the wall so it gets good adhesion. I've never done it, but they say to prep your surface with isopropyl alcohol to get the best adhesion. Now slide it back on and you're good to go. I've been using these towel hooks for a few months and really love them. It's the same design as the toilet paper holder. You just lift up when you want to take it off and pull down this strip. To install the Velcro kind, you just pull off this strip right here, put it on whatever you want to hold, make sure it gets a good adhesion. Stick your other Velcro on, make sure it's on there, pull off this adhesion, and stick it to the wall. Hold it for a while. To remove it, you just pull it off the Velcro. Some people are concerned that if you leave it on for a few years, it'll rip the paint off. But in all my rentals, I found there's 2 reasons that rips paint off. Number 1, using an off-brand, I only use 3M command strips, or not taking this off properly. This has been on here for 2.5 years when I bought this remote. I'll show you the correct way to take it off. Hold back on the top a little bit, pull this tab straight down slowly. And it'll come off a little bit at a time and won't take any paint off. And now the moment you've been waiting for. I'm going to stick my video editor onto the wall using these command strips. But first, I'm going to duct tape him into cocoon so he can stick after we put these stickies on his back.
I don't get paid enough for this.
Handyman's secret weapon, duct tape. Whew. All right, well, he's mummified.
Here we go.
"22 command strips, each of them holding supposedly 20 pounds. If you had good adhesion, this should work. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, there we go. Stick me on. Oh.
The moment of truth.
Ready?
Yeah, now be careful.
Well, here we go. Oh.
Oh!
Oh no!
Oh, what a fail.
Oh, bummer.
Well, can you turn around, see what, oh man. Well, that was a fail, but I think we'll just duct tape him to the wall.
down. I need to go to the bathroom. Hey. Oh. I still have to go to the bathroom.
Ah!
No. Alright.
I'm sorry. Well, shoot, that didn't work out as planned, but these things do work out as planned if you use them how you're supposed to. Another thing that's really impressed me that we did the torture test on was the D-wall inflator, which will be in the corner of your video right here. Watch that as we try to blow that thing up and ruin it. Well, shoot, good video. I'm out of here.
Oh. Hey, where'd you go? I still gotta go to the bathroom.